Hello everyone. This time we will explain performance management setting in the Darwinbox application. What is a performance management system? Performance management system is a cycle for identifying, monitoring, and evaluating self and your team performance. With proper performance management implementation, we can identify improvement opportunities, as well as the obstacles and resolve through monitoring, coaching, and development processes. There is several definition and terminology we need to understand. First, HOD stand for Head of Department. HOD is superior with a minimum position level manager. Second, goals. Goal is group of KPIs based on their type. Corporate goal or functional goal. And the last, sub-goals. Sub-goal is more detailed KPI or activities or projects which need to be delivered as main objectives of the role. The next thing we need to understand is the business process of the performance management cycle. Performance management cycle on Darwinbox is separated into two stages. 1. Objective and KPI target setting. This is normally completed in the beginning of the year. 2. Performance review, which normally done in mid-year and end-of-year evaluation. In this training video, we are focusing on objective and KPI target setting only. Objective and KPI target setting are processes carried out by the employee and HOD to determine the objective, targets, and weightage of activities. In Darwinbox, employee will fill in KPIs or sub-goals that have been predetermined to corporate and functional goals. At the end of the process, the head of department will receive notification and task via Darwinbox to verify and approve the employee objective and target proposal. To fill in objective and KPI settings in Darwinbox, employee need login to Darwinbox application, then click on the Performance menu, and continue by clicking New Goal Plan on the menu available on the left-hand side. On this menu, we are required to enter our KPI in the subgoals filed in each goal type that are already available in the system. Way of each KPI should be discussed with each manager prior to data entry based on their scope of work. For each subgoals, employee are required to fill in the name of the subgoals, SMART KPI descriptions, the metrics, targets, achieved and weight. For the name of subgoals, please fill in this column with the name of KPIs or work activities or project that's undertaken by the employee. Then, for description, please fill in with the description of KPI. This column need to fill in with SMART objective rule. KPI description should be specific goal, at least with the what of the target, when the target will be finish. And lastly, what is the measurement? For metrics, it can be selected by drop-down button for options of USD, months, days, percentage, etc. Target type should be filled in with is equal to. Is equal to indicates that the achieved value is expected to be equal to the target value. The achievement percent will be automatically counted. For point number 2 and 3, the achievement percent need to entry manually. This should only be filled during performance review. In objective setting, you don't have to fill this. The target column need to be entered numeric figures that has been agreed by you and HOD. Last one, fill in the weight of each KPI. The total weight for each subgoal may vary, but must reach 100% for each of the goals. If you have filled in, please click the Update Weightage and Submit button, then please check again whether the subgoals for each goal are at 100%. and then, click the Submit button. The employee still can recall the KPI after submit the form. Your manager or HOD will receive a notification via email and Darwinbox application notification when the employee has finished the KPI setting. HOD should review, verify, and validate his or her team KPI. HOD can see the task from Task Box menu, then select New Goal Plan Task, and then select the employee's name, then click Act. Darwinbox will display a list of KPIs that have been filled by their team. Manager can approve or reject KPIs. Manager can also perform bulk action to approve or reject all. After manager approve the objective and target setting, employee still can edit or add the KPI. But for every changes doing by employee, there still need approval from the HOD. You are all set. Should you have question on each of the steps and processes, feel free to reach out HR team to provide you with assistance. Thank you for your participation to improve our way of working. Thank you.